everybody. I'm so grateful to share my favorite place with you. This place has healed me so much in the past 4 years. When I was so alone, I was so isolated, the loneliness was so loud in my life. I was living in lack. My self-esteem, my self-confidence was zero. It was in minus. It was non-existent. And the trauma of going through sexual abuse, living in extreme loneliness, excruciating pain emotionally, all through that. I came here when I was like 25 or 26. Yeah, 24. I was 24. I was just turning 25. That's when I came here, and I'm going to be turning 29 soon in 2 months. And wow, this place has healed me. My deep gratitude. I remember in 2021, just 2 months before my birthday, I was praying to Mother Earth in my bedroom that Mother Earth, just keep me close to you. And then in 2 months I was moved here to this place, and now again it's in 2 months my birthday is there, and all I want from Mother Earth is just the connection with her, the guidance with her, solid discipline, and just her connection. I always want that. That's a gift. And I am here because few days ago this place inspired me to give birth to a painting that I want to share with you. I'll share the close-up with you as well. And this painting says, "Dearest God, dearest Mother Earth, thank you for guiding me, thank you for leading my way." I wanted to come here and just talk about this painting in this place because this place is magic, and it is said that we have to live life like our prayers are already being answered, which is living in gratitude. Hence, this painting says, "Thank you God, thank you Mother Earth for your guidance and for leading my way." When you bring this painting into your life, you are bringing the energies of deep gratitude and guidance and alignment of Mother Earth. So you can check out the description. The fridge magnets and the canvas prints of this painting are available there. But more than that, it's like when I was making this painting, I was channeling it, there was just some fears and doubts. I was like, oh, how it's not extremely perfect, or how some dots are not perfectly aligned. Then I was coming here on a walk, and Mother Earth told me, "Do you see me? None of my things are perfect. Stones are not perfectly made. Clouds are not perfect. Trees are not perfect and perfectly aligned. It's all, but it still impacts you. When you come here, it still impacts you. There is so much imperfection. Just like that, your art is very impactful. You gotta share it with the world. You gotta share it with the people, because it's gonna impact them, heal them, and in so many ways. I would put a lot of pressure on my art as well to have, like, it's gotta do that. But then I realized, no, I don't need to put pressure on my art. I know it's powerful, impactful. It's gonna inspire people in ways I can't even comprehend. But I know, like, during my most painful things, my art got me out of that. My art put me in my power, in the confidence. It made me so unapologetic, bold in so many ways. It I became more of me, more of my unique self because of my art. So it's gonna do the same for the people. This painting has a frequency of alignment, God's guidance in every area of your life. When you bring this painting, every area of your life would align in beautiful ways. Your home, your finances, your career, your style, your relationships. There's gonna be magic. I am not able to express in ways, but I feel it in my body, because it's gonna feel like surprise you in magical ways, you know, it's so powerful. Link of everything is in my description. And you know how I am like out in nature. This is my first time recording in outside. Otherwise I always record like in like you know, in my room, or like when I go home in my hometown. So there I am familiar, no one's watching, that's when I record. But right now I'm just like some here which is not my hometown, and I'm recording. It feels very vulnerable, but I'm like really proud of, you know, myself for doing that. And of course I'm a little bit nervous because people are walking by and they're watching, you know, but like it's okay. But I'm like, you know, super proud of myself. Yeah.